Ancient origins. Almonds in the cradle of civilization. Almonds have a long and storied history. They are one of the oldest cultivated nut trees. Their journey began thousands of years ago in the warm climates of the Middle East. This region, often called the cradle of civilization, nurtured the almond tree. Ancient civilizations, including the Babylonians and Egyptians, prized almonds. They enjoyed their delicate flavor and numerous health benefits. Almonds held cultural and religious significance. They symbolized fertility and good fortune. The almond tree thrived in the Mediterranean climate. It adapted to hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. This resilience made it a valuable crop for ancient people. Almonds provided sustenance and were traded with other regions. This marked the beginning of the almond's global journey. The almond's journey from the Middle East to the world. Almonds traveled far and wide along ancient trade routes. They journeyed with merchants across the Mediterranean Sea. They reached Greece, Rome, and other parts of Europe. These cultures embraced the almond, incorporating it into their cuisines and traditions. The Silk Road, a network of trade routes connecting East and West, played a crucial role in the almond spread. Almonds traveled eastward to India and China, where they were highly valued. Their delicate flavor and versatility in sweet and savory dishes made them a prized ingredient. European explorers brought almonds to the Americas in the 16th century. Almond trees found a welcoming environment in California. The state's Mediterranean-like climate proved ideal for almond cultivation. Today, California is the world's largest producer of almonds. A heart-healthy nut almonds for cardiovascular wellness. Almonds are incredibly nutritious and offer a wide range of health benefits. One of their most significant benefits is their positive impact on heart health. Almonds are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are considered good fats. Monounsaturated fats help lower bad cholesterol levels, or LDL cholesterol. This reduces the risk of heart disease. Almonds are also a good source of fiber, which further supports heart health by regulating blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. Vitamin E, an antioxidant abundant in almonds, protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals contribute to heart disease. The magnesium in almonds helps regulate blood pressure, another important factor in maintaining a healthy heart. Section 4. Beauty from within. Almonds for skin, hair and bones. The benefits of almonds extend beyond heart health. They are a boon for skin, hair and bone health as well. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects skin cells from damage caused by sun exposure and pollution. Vitamin E helps maintain skin's elasticity, keeping it looking youthful and radiant. Almonds also contain biotin, a B vitamin essential for strong and healthy hair. Biotin deficiency can lead to hair loss. Eating almonds can help prevent this. Almonds are a good source of calcium and magnesium. These minerals are crucial for building and maintaining strong bones. Including almonds in your diet can help prevent osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them more susceptible to fractures. Section 5. Aiding weight management, almonds for a healthy weight. Contrary to popular belief, nuts like almonds can be beneficial for weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, the healthy fats, fiber and protein in almonds contribute to feelings of fullness and satisfaction. This can help control appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. The fiber in almonds aids digestion and promotes regularity, further supporting weight management. Almonds can be a healthy snack option, especially when compared to processed snacks, high in unhealthy fats, sugar and empty calories. It's important to enjoy almonds in moderation as part of a balanced diet. A small handful of almonds, about 23 almonds, is a reasonable serving size. Pair them with fruits, vegetables and lean proteins for optimal nutrition and weight management. Section 6. Versatile and delicious. Almonds in modern diets and industries. Almonds have earned a prominent place in modern diets and industries worldwide. Their versatility shines in culinary applications, both sweet and savory. Almonds are enjoyed whole as a snack, chopped and sprinkled over salads, or ground into almond butter. Almond flour made from finely ground almonds is a popular gluten-free alternative to wheat flour. It is used in baking to create delicious cakes, cookies and bread. Almond milk made by blending almonds with water and straining the mixture is a dairy-free milk alternative enjoyed by many. The cosmetic and personal care industries utilize almond oil for its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Almond oil is a common ingredient in lotions, creams and hair care products. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for even sensitive skin. Section 7. A timeless treasure. The enduring legacy of the almond. The almond's journey from its ancient origins in the Middle East to its global presence today is a testament to its enduring appeal. This legendary nut has nourished civilizations for millennia. It continues to be a valuable food source and a symbol of health and well-being. As we continue to discover the numerous health benefits of almonds, their legacy is further solidified. From promoting heart health and enhancing beauty to supporting weight management and inspiring culinary creativity, almonds truly are a timeless treasure. Embrace the goodness of almonds and enjoy their delicate flavor and remarkable health benefits. Incorporate them into your diet and experience the positive impact they can have on your overall well-being.